Hello, my name is Michael, and I'm a professional photographer and artist, and today I'm going to share with you how you can afford any camera that you want, and it's pretty simple. And this life lesson can be applied to literally anything that you ever want to buy. And the trick here is two things. One is to have a job. So if you don't have a job, you probably can't afford whatever camera you want because you don't have income coming in. Okay, so you have a job, you're a functioning member of society. How do you buy whatever camera that you want? Especially when you go and you find a camera like the new Canon that comes out for $3,000. So we're going to use a $3,000 camera as an example. Well, the trick is to be proactive with your finances. And so what you do is, say you know that you want the new Canon coming out. So what you do is you take $200 a month every single month, and you just put that away into your savings. At the end of 18 months, you will have $3,600, which you can then spend on buying the new camera. You can buy all the accessories for it. You could buy a vertical grip, extra batteries, memory card, and you'll be able to afford everything that comes with that camera that you need to succeed. So that's really the best way, is to just put away a certain amount of decide what camera you want, and then put away whatever money is required for that every single month. And that will last you every product cycle. So if you just continue, say you buy that camera and then you just continue to put away another $200, that way when the new version of that camera comes out, you literally have enough money to just buy it again cash in the next 18 months. And then you can sell the old one for profit, and then that's how you really sustain having the nicest camera equipment all the time. Now let's say that you don't want to wait. So the next thing that you could do is you could go and you could get a zero APR or zero interest credit card, and then buy it with that and then pay it off over 18 months. There are lots of great card examples over that. I would check on Reddit or card hacking or all of card churning, and there's a whole kind of life about that. And the great thing about this is that it will build your credit as well. So you buy the camera on credit, and then you just pay $200 a month for 18 months, which is about how long a lot of them last, and without having to pay interest. And then you just do exactly what I said before, and you build your credit. Simple. Another thing that you could do, you could just take $100 a month towards it, and then pay for half of it up front, and then pay for the other half with the credit card, and then you pay $100 afterwards, and then you're still building your credit. And really that will afford you anything that you want. Like you could buy the newest Canon, the newest Sony, the newest Nikon, even Leicas. You put away like $200 a month. You put away $100 a month for a Leica, and they only come out with Leicas like once every 5 years. So you don't need to, if you just save away, $100 a month for 5 years, when they come out with a $10,000 camera, you can afford it. And so you can always be on the cutting edge of, even the Leicas or the Hasselblads or the medium format phase ones. If you're just proactive with your finances, you can do it. And so I think, especially for people that are emerging and trying to become professionals, they think that they need to be able to afford all this camera equipment right away. And I would advise you to just save up over time, and that way you're never hit off guard, and you're responsible with your money, and it doesn't feel like anything special. And if camera equipment, or you need to buy a new computer, for me personally, I have an account just for a new computer and a new camera, and then every couple of years I buy everything new, and I'm not really hit with that sticker shock. So that's really my advice to you, is just be proactive with your finances. And I know this isn't like the most sexy thing, I know that's not talked about very often, but it's like the most important thing if you want to make a career for being a professional artist or a professional photographer, is just like getting your money straight. And so I hope that you like this. Be sure to like and subscribe. I have so many more videos coming out where I really talk about the things that a lot of professional photographers and professional artists don't talk about. And so if you like this content, be sure to subscribe, because there's so much more coming out. Thank you so much.